Ever pondered over the fusion of a nomadic lifestyle with the digital era? The twist of the tale lies in the concept of global communities. Picture this, a community of digital nomads, wandering troubadours of the modern era, spreading their stories and experiences across the globe, and yet tied together through the invisible threads of technology. Welcome to the enchanting world of Bombay Troubadours. Imagine the rich cultural heritage of the troubadours from the south of France, meeting the bustling energy of Miami and the vibrant colors of Mumbai. This is the essence of Bombay Troubadours, a project aiming to bring 1 million digital nomads under a common banner. The mission is clear: create communities ranging from 10,000 to 100,000 members. The entry ticket? A nominal annual fee of €100. But what's the catch? It's not just a fee, it's an investment into a shared future, where every penny goes into creating assets that benefit the collective. Bombay Troubadours is building a network of tech hubs and e-hotels, a haven for digital nomads where they can live, work, and collaborate. It's a world where real estate, travel, communications, and technology intertwine to create a unique experience. The project isn't just about creating physical assets, but also launching a digital currency. Now you may wonder, what's in it for the members? The answer is simple: equal equity. Every member of the Bombay Troubadours has an equal stake in the project. It's a community where everyone has a say, everyone has a share, and everyone is an equal partner in the journey. To summarize, Bombay Troubadours is more than a project. It's a vision of a global digital community. It's a platform that combines the freedom and flexibility of a digital nomad lifestyle with the strength and stability of a global community. It's a space where every member contributes to and benefits from the shared assets, and where everyone owns a piece of the pie. So if you're a digital nomad or aspire to be one, Bombay Troubadours offers a unique opportunity to be a part of a global community, to share in its growth, and to reap the benefits of collective investment. It's a journey of 1,000,000 miles, and it begins with a single step. Are you ready to take that step with the Bombay Troubadours?